12 na ako, kasing dami na ng pamilya ko. Sabi mo, pasensya na, walang pera kaya mag-drop out ka. Inakom, sabi mo kami mahal nyo, ari ko pati kayo nagplano. Sana hindi gutom at nag-aaral pa, alaga't malusog ang buong pamilya.
Hi, I am Elcana Faith A.S. Tavillo from Dipon National High School, Home Economics Major, one of the members of this group. In these videos, I ask you, have you heard or familiar with the word family planning? If not, then continue watching this. Charang! Ito ang cervical cap.
At ito naman ang birth control pills.
Himala ay hindi pala tao, bagay, hayop, lugar, contraceptive injection.
Contraceptive implant.
Birth control patch.
Ano yung mga hawak nyo mga be?
Secret.
Ito pala ang hormonal at gopher IUD.
Ito naman ang vaginal ring.
Family planning involves making informed choices about having children, including when and how many, and utilizing contraceptive methods to prevent unintended pregnancies. This can include using barrier methods, hormonal contraception, or natural family planning methods.